Alright, so let's talk about the Samsung G-Track Pro. This microphone is crazy. So far, I have a very good experience with this microphone. So let's talk about the Samsung G-Track Pro. You're listening non-edited audio. This is the raw audio that comes directly from the microphone. And now I'm on a 50% volume. Also, I'm on the Cardio 8 polar pattern. This is the most popular one. The microphone has 3 polar patterns. So we have the Cardio 8, we have the Figure 8, and we have the Omnidirectional. So the Figure 8, if you have a guest in your studio, you want to do a podcast, and you want, let's say, to have a podcast with someone else, have a guest, or you take an interview. So basically you speak front of the microphone and your guest speaks behind, nothing on the side. So this is the Figure 8. Most popular is for podcasts or for interviews. The omnidirectional is basically if you have group meetings and you want to record the audio with, let's say, a couple of people in the room, just leave the microphone on the middle and we'll pick up the sound from everywhere. Also, if you want to record instruments, this is a very good polar pattern. And the Cardio 8 is the most popular one. Everybody knows that. Let me show you now. Let me do some tests now. So I'm on the Cardio polar pattern, which is Cardio 8, the most popular one. So let's spin the microphone now. So I'm gonna spin the microphone. So just to have an idea, probably you can tell now the sound is not very good because I'm on the back of the microphone. But let's go back now. So this is the front of the microphone, so you can have idea how is the sound quality. So the Cardio 8 is the most popular one if you talk to the microphone only, no people on the side. So basically this will make sure that the sound comes on the front but nothing on the back, if this makes sense for you. So let's change it now to Figure 8. So this is the Figure 8 polar pattern. This is very popular if you do, let's say, a podcast with a guest. So I'm gonna spin the microphone right now. I'm spinning the microphone. As you can hear on the side, it's blocking the sound. But when I move to the back, you can hear me very well. So this is it's a very good polar pattern if you have a guest in your studio. I don't have a guest at the moment, so at least you can have idea. Let's spin the microphone on the middle, blocks the sound. And when you go to the front or the back, you can have idea. So this is the Figure 8 polar pattern. Let's move to omnidirectional. Okay, so this is the omnidirectional. So this is very good if you have a, let's say, meeting on the room. So you want to discuss something, let's say, something very interesting, or basically just to discuss, let's say, meeting groups, your job, or basically anything in terms of meetings. You need to have a microphone. So this is the omnidirectional. So basically I'm gonna spin the microphone right now, so the sound shouldn't change at all. So the sound should come from the every side. As you can see, the microphone I'm spinning, so the sound is pretty much, yeah, this is like a 360 degrees. So the omnidirectional. So let me change it again to Cardio 8. So this is the Cardio 8, the most popular one. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna increase the volume, so just to have idea how is the sound with the noise floor. Let's see, because this microphone is very sensible, will get a lot of noise. So make sure your room is treated very well. So the microphone is on 50%. The microphone is on 70%. The microphone is on 80%. The microphone is on 80%. Sorry, 100%. You can have idea how is the noise floor. Okay, so this is 50%. So now you have better idea how is the sound quality, because this is a non-treated room. Also on the side, the microphone has a mono switch and 2-track. So mono switch basically is when you plug your instrument, your guitar, the mono will mix your voice and your guitar in a one track. Two track, pretty explanatory, very easy. When you switch the button to two tracks, when you record on your DAW, the microphone and your guitar will be on two tracks. So the voice is going to be one track and your guitar is going to be one track. So this is very good if you want to edit the audio later. But if you don't want to edit the audio, use only the mono for one track, mix your vocals and your guitar. Also, we have a couple of knobs on the front. We have the mute button. I'm back. So when you press the mute button, you'll see a yellow light. Also, if you talk very close to the microphone, if the microphone starts to clipping, you'll see a red light. That means that the microphone clips, the sound is too much. Also, we have the knob for the volume of your the microphone gain, 75%, as you can see. Also, we have a knob for your instrument volume. And also we have a knob for the headphones, because I can hear myself properly now, and also I can increase the sound of my headphones. This is pretty good. On the back we have another switch for monitoring. So if you don't want to monitor yourself, real-time monitoring, you can switch this button off. And also we have a headphone jack, and we have the input for your instrument. So this is the Samsung G-Track Pro raw audio. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this microphone. Thank you very much for watching. This is Stefan. I'll see you in the next video.